Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, former Orlando Pirates coach and Al Ahly coach Jose Rivero bafethu, he was heavily linked with teams amanye wase-South Africa, but obviously that thing was not confirmed. But manje sokuphuma indaba ezikhipha Mickey Junior ulapha uthi former Orlando Pirates coach turn it down i-opportunity yokucoacha lapha ne-Algeria iSetif team yakhona, uthi bamcontactile but-ke uthe uba-turn it down after ukulalela i-offer yabo, and he made it clear ukuthi akekho ready uku-return noma ukubuya laphana ukuthi aqala ukucoacha. Siyazi ukuthi uRivero-ke ukuthi after what happened to Al Ahly and ukuthi uthukile ngempela ukuthi Al Ahly kwenzakalani, uprefer ukuthi a-relaxe kancane, sit back and ethathe isikhathi sakhe laphana. Le team le kuthiwa emfunayo iSetif bafethu ase-Algeria even already made were ready to make him the highest paid coach ku-Algerian Premier League, handing him obviously full control kuma-transfers laphana, but still uthe no. However, kuthiwa-ke iClub ngeke i-give up kuleya coach loya. Kuthiwe iClub ithe izophinda izame futhi ngoba uJose Rivero bambona e-perfect, if profile lakhe lifitha kahle kakhulu, umuntu noma indoda lena abayifunayo ukuthi iba-lead to greater heights and ku-new project overall. If they wanted to make him ucoacha kuphi lona, but already ubani lo coach lona, I think uRhulani Mukwena is one of the highest paid players lapha ku-Algerian football, if not the highest paid. But-ke uJose Rivero bafuna ukumletha laphana, bafuna ukuthi i-team yabo iSetif ekwazi ukucompete namanye ama-teams on the continental level. But yeah, I think yeah, uyadeserve isikhathi maybe ukuthi a-relax, ahlale anga-communicate maybe namanye ama-team, adle imali yakhe okwamanje, because phethe imali eserious kakhulu ye-settlement laphana ku-Al Ahly, anga-afforda ukuhlala nje phansi for 5 years. Danke bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Danko.